Hey, it's Brittany from the Verb Learning Services. Here's a quick video to help get you set up for the book club starting January 10th, 2021. First of all, you will receive an invite to the Facebook group. The Facebook group is called Book Club, the Verb Learning Services, and it looks like this. It has a picture of the cover of the book in the background. In order to enter the group, there is a question asking, how did you hear about the group? So if you could answer that, that would be great. All of the information that you need is here. We have the About section telling you a little bit about the book club. So just to review, each week you will read a section of the book, participate in group discussions, and you will also get access to a mini English lesson that I will post weekly. And you'll be responsible for creating a discussion question for one of the weeks. So you don't have to create a discussion question every week. You will be assigned one week. So as you can see here, I have started a schedule. It's not finished yet because I need to confirm all of the participants, but the first week we will do some introductions and start reading part 1 of the book. Our friend Usman is going to be doing the first discussion question for the week of January 17th to 23rd, and Aisha will be doing the discussion question for the following week. And I've also listed the page numbers of each section here, and in just 1 minute I will show you how you can access the book and show you the structure and the layout of the book. Just a note here, please post the discussion question by Saturday. We are all in different time zones and in different parts of the world and have our own schedules, so you can read and participate at your own pace. I just ask that you try to complete your responsibilities before the Saturday of each week. However, as I've written here in the group rules, follow the schedule the best you can. But if you're behind on the reading, or you won't be able to do your question that week, or you're just feeling a little confused, no problem, let me know. I'm here to help. This is all flexible. We're just trying things out. In this group, we have different topics. So far, I have admin, vocabulary, grammar, and discussion questions. I'm just going to click on See All here. So when you are posting something in the group, if you could use this hashtag and then the keyword, it will be easier to locate the information. So for example, if I click on admin, so that just means administration, anything to do with organization of the book club, you can see here the calendar and the schedule that I've posted because I put it under the topic of admin. If you would like to see any of the discussions related to vocabulary in the book, you click on that vocabulary and you can see all the posts related to that. So here's an example of something that you might see in our book club. I've put the word deformity and invited you to have a discussion. What does it mean? What are some collocations used with deformity? So a collocation are words that are commonly used together. So I have just commented myself as an example, facial deformity. So facial is a common word that you see together with deformity. It's a collocation, facial deformity. And this is important for this book because our main character, Augie, was born with a facial deformity. Okay, so that is everything to do with the book club Facebook group. And another video will be coming up on how to access the